In this video, I'll show you how to use RoomSketcher to make an HVAC floor plan. But first, what exactly is HVAC? HVAC is an acronym for heating, ventilation and air conditioning. The term HVAC describes a system that is used to heat and cool the home or property, as well as provide good indoor air quality for the habitants and users of the space. RoomSketcher is a powerful and user-friendly software that allows users to create detailed and accurate HVAC floor plans. Here is how you draw your HVAC floor plan with RoomSketcher. You need to start with a detailed and accurate floor plan. You can either draw this from scratch, upload an existing plan to trace over, or you can order a floor plan from RoomSketcher expert illustrators. If you are drawing from scratch, draw walls, then add doors and windows, and make sure to add key fixed installations such as beams and columns. When the floor plan is complete, drag and drop HVAC equipment and components onto the layout, including heating, air conditioning, furnaces, ducts and thermostats. RoomSketcher lets you customize each element's size, placement and orientation, and you can easily add labels and notes for further clarification. You can generate professional 2D floor plans that show standard HVAC symbols, and then you can export the plan as a PDF, a web image, or a letterhead to scale. And that's it! Super simple! So go ahead and start creating your HVAC floor plan today.